Here, okay. I think we go this way. Oh, that's cute. I don't know who built that. What is that noise? Oh my god. What has she done? She's about to answer for her crimes. You can hear him through the speakers. Listen through the headset. What did you do?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Look at all those stupid chickens! Holy crap! I'm about to set most of them on fire. Why? Yeah, there's a butt ton of them! Look, they just exploded out the door! I'm not gonna kill them all. Look at this! I don't even have to move! I'm not gonna kill them all. I'm gonna kill a good number of them though. I mean, there should not be making a noise that sounds like that.
What's happening?
Oh, you can't hear it. That's right.
Oh my god! That's crazy.
How did you even get all those chickens? It started out with an egg. Oh my god. Look at this mess. Holy crap. And the server did not die, crash, or lag. Oops. I didn't mean to kill that guy. I just accidentally hit the golem and he died. It was an accident. Okay. You just gotta protect your chickens? Well, I'm gonna leave the food here. What the hell? I mean, how do you got babies still spawning in here? What are you doing? Seriously, I mean, there's a baby chicken. My inventory is full of crap. Yeah, well, I'm not. What? This? Look at this! Look how hungry now. I'm killing all those chickens. Oh my gosh. Where's your here we go. This'll work. Oh. 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 Gee. Here, you got the eggs back. And the feathers. I'm just trying to figure out how they're still spawning. Here's your golem. Sheesh. I don't think so. Well, maybe they do. I was looking for clay. I was just looking for clay, that's all. And I heard the pitter-patter of a bazillion feet. Here, let's go ahead and pick these up. Good God! And you guys are escapees. You know what that means. Your dinner. Sorry. Okay. Shh. Okay.